Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Siri on your iPhone Air. Okay, so if you want to enable Siri, then it's not too difficult. All you need to do is go to the settings, and then find Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now, you can enable or disable Apple Intelligence. Without that, you can still use Siri, but the old version of Siri, which is less functional, but still works. But now, in order to be able to use Siri without Apple Intelligence enabled, you'll need to find Talk to Siri and select either phrase or press side button for Siri. Now, I have it all disabled, so when I press and hold the side button, I'm gonna click on Note now. When I press and hold on the side button, it just asks me whether I want to enable Siri, right? I can enable it for the side button. Now I'm gonna, you can select whether you wanna share audio recordings with Apple in order to improve Siri, just like analytics and stuff like that. And now when I press and hold, you can see it opens the old Siri, right? I can also do it without the side button. With a phrase, I can either say, "Hey Siri" out loud, or just "Siri." If I select that option, and it'll activate it. So let's try selecting this one. And now when I say, "Hey Siri," okay, it actually got activated on my Apple Watch. "Hey Siri." Okay, maybe it's not adjusted to my voice. It's most likely not adjusted to my voice. So I'll need to... I'd like to reset it, you know? I'll turn it off. I'll select, I've first disabled the press side button, and then disabled also the Talk to Siri, and I'm gonna enable it. And yes, now we are in the setup. So I need to say, I guess, like 4 or 5 phrases out loud, so it learns my voice. "Siri, how's the weather?" "Hey Siri, send a message." "Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes." "Hey Siri, get directions home." "Siri, play some music." Okay, now when I click on done, and when I say, "Siri, what's the weather today?" Okay, I'll need to allow it. And you can see it shows me that. Now, if you want to use the Apple Intelligence, which makes it more intelligent, and also you can integrate it with ChatGPT if you want. Now, when I'm also gonna enable the side button. Now, when I press and hold, it's still that. I would need to plug my phone into power and wait until the Apple Intelligence gets downloaded. So I'll just need to wait. I'll get back to you when it's... Oh, okay, it's already finished. So when I now press and hold, you see it opens a different Siri, because this is the Apple Intelligence Siri. And I can ask it for more than just basic tasks. But what's worth doing here is ChatGPT. You can set up ChatGPT by clicking on Next, enabling it. You can sign into your account or use it without ChatGPT account, but I'm gonna sign in because it's gonna work better that way. I think I'll need to continue with Google. Okay, and now when I try asking it for something more complex, then it'll ask me whether I want to use ChatGPT. So let's try doing it. For example, "Hi Siri, give me a recipe for a chocolate cake." I'm gonna click on Use ChatGPT. Okay, I just said something and it cancelled all of that. Let's try again. Give me a recipe for a chocolate cake. And as you can see right here, it gives me the recipe. So that's basically how it works with the Apple Intelligence and the ChatGPT. Also, Apple Intelligence gives you more features. For example, pressing and holding on the camera control button turns on visual intelligence. Okay, but I'd need to press and hold. But it wants to open the camera. I most certainly don't want to open the camera. I want to open visual intelligence. Now, it also gives you an option to, for example, take a photo of something, and you can either search for similar images on the web. It also gives you info about like items. You can see more photos, for example, from Google, or you can ask it, like, for example, what do you see on the picture? Okay, it has some problems, but it worked. When I tried it, it worked. And that will be about it. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.